This weekend, it's going to be cold, and things you can do to help yourself out in the cold is number one, you want to make sure that the terminals that go on your battery are free from corrosion. The corrosion is going to inhibit the battery power down to the starter. Now, when it gets cold out, the starter requires more amperage to turn the engine over and to start. So your battery needs to be strong to take care of that, but you want to make sure that no matter how strong the battery is, that battery power's got to get to the starter. So make sure your cables are clean, and that's going to help you start in really cold weather.